did that happen, Millie?
Well, I just went through D phone. I found out she was cheating on me, so I just,
oh my God.
So I just cut her phone off. But because I like you, I'm gonna give you till tomorrow to like get your phone.
We gonna start this thing.
Hey y'all,
Hey,
what's up?
What's up? What it is, ho?
What's up? Can a nigga just
get fuck you up like you ain't been
show your ass how to really bust it up? So give me your number and I call and I follow that ass to the mall.
Think y'all let you swallow my ball or something like that, right?
I don't know.
But yeah, we on our way to Penstack, which is like, what all can you do there, honey? Bowling, laser tag, laser maze, bumper
rock
cars,
climbing,
rock climbing,
walking
ropes type stuff. But yeah, it should be fun. We've never been, so first time for everything.
We going because I want to do bumper cars.
Y'all know she be thinking she can beat me at everything.
Bumper cars, you just bump into each other.
Do they have games? We need to hop on this.
Well, you know I don't do games.
We need to hop on this basketball.
I can't do that. I have on nails.
Beat you real quick. I can't do that. I have on nails. Who gives a fuck?
I give a fuck.
Do you?
We gonna start this thing alright. Duval in the now come on, come on. Do it, baby, stick it, baby. Do it, baby, stick it, baby.
We are at 0 degrees. I don't know if you can see. There we go. And baby got some elotes.
I eat the shit all the time.
I know. Let's see how good it is.
They should give me more stuff, that seasoning stuff.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Is it the best you've ever had?
The best I ever had was in, what you call it, San Antonio.
Oh, yeah.
You want to taste it?
Alright, bye. Alright, y'all. Bye. Hey, you guys. So, we are back at home. After being out, what, maybe an hour and a half? So, we got to Penstack. And, you know, pictures on websites are deceiving. And I just want business owners to know that. Like, on the website, you would think everything was just big. The bumper car shit looked huge. The laser maze looked huge. The laser tag looked huge. Everything just looked big. And then we get there and we're like, our living room is bigger than this. What is this? Like, I'm confused on what's going on. So, we had paid for a little game card thing. And that's another thing. Like, with everything, you like swipe your card, even for like the laser maze and all of that, and that's weird. So we paid for one, but we ended up getting a refund, and the manager was like, oh, why don't you want to stay? And we were like, well, it just looked different on the website. So that was that. So that was our plans for the night. So then we went to 0 degrees, which is, I don't even really know. Baby said it's an Asian-infused Mexican, something like that. Asian-infused Mexican something. I don't know. Look it up. 0degrees.com. I think that's what the website is anyway. And baby got some elotes, which is that Mexican corn. And then I went to Taco Cabana, however you want to pronounce it, and I got me a quesadilla. And now we are back home. You know, we just keep getting signs that it's time to leave Dallas. Like, Dallas is really boring. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, going out is fun, but I don't want to have to go out all the time because I don't really want to. Like, I went out so much in college and in my early 20s, even though, well, I guess now I'm mid-20s. But now I don't want to do that all the time. So, yep, that was our night. So, now, baby has to work tomorrow. So, she's probably about to go to sleep. And I'm about to stay up and watch some TV. I've started a new show called The Night Shift. I'll keep y'all posted on how it goes. First episode was pretty good.
Away and then looking at the camera?
Because I was reading the TV.
No,
Y'all see how
doing that the whole
y'all see
video.
how she critiquing me? I will put her on here, but she don't get mad. So, all right. Well, we will talk to you guys tomorrow. You know, I look kind of good though. This light is hitting me kind of right with this puff. Get into it. Get into it. Hey.
Don't be doing all that shit on the camera.
All right, gotta go. Good morning, y'all. Hey. Okay. Which I don't think I've already said good morning, but baby went to Chick-fil-A. Now I'm at Chick-fil-A because today is July 21st and it's my mommy's birthday and her twin sister's birthday, my aunt. So happy birthday to them. Yeah, so then after baby left, I called her because she's in Atlanta to be with my Sharice. I called her to, I don't have on any earrings. That's so ugly. I called her to wish her a happy birthday. And so then we talked for a little bit. And of course, like, I couldn't go back to sleep. So I got dressed and stuff and decided to come to Chick-fil-A. Get some breakfast. I'm just waiting on them to bring it out. Curbside delivery is the truth. Oh my gosh. It's so great. But yeah, and then after that, I'm going to go, well, I'm not going to go get my toes done right now. I'm going to go back to the house for a little bit. And then I'll get back out later and go get my toes done. Because according to baby, I need a pedicure. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. A bunch of nothing. My puff is kind of popping though. Shout out to that. My hair, I believe, is growing and flourishing. I look like that mean school teacher. Look at you just like this. Her glasses be waiting on you. And shout out to everybody that video from last week is at 90 views. Like, we need 10 more views so we can post this video. Like, y'all really showing out. This whole little system is working for it. I'm locking my doors. This whole get the video to 100 views is really working. Like, y'all showing out. Y'all showing out. So we appreciate y'all for that. Oh, but baby be saying I'll be on here talking too much, so I'm not gonna hold y'all long. So if anything, I will come back on here, I guess. Ooh, what just happened with that lighting? Come on, focus on me. Can you focus on me? Okay. Y'all like that, huh? Okay, but yeah, so let me get off of here so I don't want to start rambling. And I'll talk to y'all later. Okay. Why are you laughing? Do I need to have this far down here? Okay. What's up, y'all? What's poppin'? Girl, who I sound like, baby?
Shit, I don't know who you think you sound like.
Cardi B. She be like, what's poppin'? So today is Sunday, July 22nd, and we are on our way to Cheddar's to, get a little something to eat real fast, and then we got a slew of places we going. So we going to Best Buy, we going to Ikea. We might go to Walmart. Where else we going, baby?
I don't know. We're gonna go eat right now because I'm hungry though.
She can't even think about nothing else.
No,
but this
I
food.
can't. Hey y'all, so we at Cheddar's.
We here. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. I'm starving. It's what time is it, baby?
151.
It's 1:51. We haven't ate all day, and we're here at Cheddar's.
About to tear some food up. About to tear it up.
So here's the menu. We at Cheddar's. I'm going to get the country fried steak. I'm not going to get southern green beans. I'm going to get the broccoli cheese casserole. Yeah, so I'm going to get the country fried steak. I'm going to get this. It already comes with mashed potatoes. I'm going to get mashed potatoes. She's going to get her.
I'm gonna get the country fried chicken with broccoli cheese casserole. How many sides you get? You two?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get broccoli cheese casserole and probably mashed potatoes or mac and cheese. I don't know. I can't decide.
So here's the spinach dip. Tastes good.
I've been eating the chips.
Oh, you didn't get no spinach dip? Y'all, this is my favorite.
Okay, y'all. So we talking about dining and dashing. I asked her if she had ever done it. She said no. I've never done it. But I said, not that I would want to do it, but almost to see, I kind of want to see if I can get away with it, you know? Like just run out, but I would come right back in to pay for the food.
That's not dining and dashing. If you're going to do it, you got to do it full
I just
out.
want to see if I would be good at it. I'll see if I would. We need some, what we need? Sausage.
So here's the chicken fried steak, here's the mashed potatoes, and here's the cheddar cheese broccoli casserole. Camille got chicken fried chicken, macaroni, and broccoli cheese casserole.
And my drink was nasty. So I sent that back.
Good. So y'all, we about to get on down because we hungry.
Hey y'all, so we about to play a prank on baby's mom. So right now she about to text her and tell her that I'm about to cut their phones off. Camille about to turn me and your phone off. Now put your phone on airplane mode. Or you want to wait for her to respond?
Yeah, I wanted her to wait till her either respond or call first.
Okay. Should I ever? She said, "Why? What happened?" Oh shit. Okay, so now she gonna put her phone on airplane mode.
Okay, so it's on.
It's on airplane mode. So now we about to switch. So I'm about to call her mama, and baby is about to record.
We gonna start this thing alright. Duval in the now come on, come on. Do it, baby, stick it, baby. 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 Come on, shake it on, take it out. Come, hey, show 'em what it's all about. Hey, shake it on, shake it out. Hey, show 'em what it.
I've been nothing like this. Oh,
Hey, kitty baby.
this is all house stuff. Oh, these little things are cute.
We don't need that. At least sit on the couch, baby. I want to know if it's comfortable. Pose for me. Come on.
Yeah.
Nope.
It's not comfortable? Baby, you didn't even sit long enough.
Because it's not comfortable. Oh, look at these, honey. I need to put my backpack up.
I don't know about Ikea furniture, y'all.
That was, what's it called? Look, honey.
Baby, we don't need this.
It's a furnace. I need one to put in front of the door, but that's off like cream.
Put in front of the door where? Y'all, this is the wrong store for her to be in. Y'all, this kitchen is life.
Would you like to see?
This kitchen is so nice. Future things. Get into this. What if these Marvel forks, something like that. We get a kitchen like this, you're gonna be expecting gourmet meals every night.
Look, no lights come on. So you can see.
I'm in love.
Look,
wait, take this brochure. 2018 kitchen.
It's two
double ovens. And then I love the fridges with the freezers at the bottom.
This is like
our future.
If you have a house like this, you winning.
Baby, look at the pink. Oh, you know, it's still a double sink, but it's still deep. You know, I like me a deep sink.
What did we get, honey? So y'all, we got some more stuff. Not
Goodies.
much though.
We just got a picture frame. Baby said she's gonna put a picture of us in it. We'll see.
And put it on the table.
And then we got some cutting boards because we really needed these. And that's about it. And this bath mat.
As y'all know, we came to look at this. We've seen some options.
Those buns smell good.
I know, but I don't like cinnamon. I like cinnamon roll. Baby looking at the tools.
Y'all know me, I'm the man of the house.
You ain't the man, I'm the man.
I know, you thought.
Oh look, baby, you can get this to clean the windows.
What windows?
Since you want to be the man, and be the man.
No, it's a shower squeegee. This is for the shower.
Oh.
But I don't need that.
Makes sense, makes sense.
Hey y'all, what's up? So I think I might be in the doghouse. I said an unfunny joke earlier and it did not go over well. So we'll see. I'm just getting off work at home. Hi baby. I missed you today.
Whatever.
I told them, I said I might be in the doghouse.
Guess what I found out?
I need to cut this off. Okay, be right back. Y'all, so I've been playing a joke on baby for about a week now.
What joke? About the bun cake?
Yeah.
Babe. So who got you that?
One of the doctors at work bought everybody a bun cake.
So who wrote that note?
I still don't know who. The note was real, but I got that note a while ago. I told you about it. So somebody left a note on my desk that said, "You're so beautiful," but this had to be like 6 months ago.
I don't believe you.
I swear.
Come here, I asked you though.
You asked me what?
Who wrote the note? Or I asked you where did the note come from?
I still don't know who the note came from, but the bun cake came from a doctor.
So y'all, she put the note. I think I have the picture, so I'm gonna insert it. She put the note on top of the bun cake.
And I took a picture and I sent it to her.
You ain't shit.
Prank wars on. And y'all, she was like, you need to find out who left that note and that cake. But
why we both got on black?
I don't know. You want to be like me, I guess.
No, bitch. I got just before you.
Y'all see how she still ain't took this B word out of her vocabulary?
It's cold in here.
She still loves me. Prank war is on. Right, babe.
No, I'm not doing no pranks.
Okay, well, I'm going to just keep pranking
This
you.
is a no prank zone.
I'm going to just keep pranking
no prank zone channel. No prank zone.
I'm going to just keep pranking you. What they be saying, Team Camille in the comments. But you guys, I only came on here to wrap up the vlog. Anything you want to say, baby?
Always. Thanks for Thanks for watching. Thanks for getting the last video to 100 views.
Let's do that a little faster this time.
Exactly, and let's do the same thing with this video because y'all, we're not posting videos unless our videos get 100 views.
Should we really do that?
What?
You think we should keep that up?
I'm gonna keep it up. So if I'm editing, y'all won't get no video unless we get 100 views. Because to me, like, I need to know that people are watching it.
Yeah, that's true.
Because if people aren't watching it, why would I keep doing it?
For fun. I think this is fun.
Yeah, it is fun. But not when people not interacting with you, like in the comment section. That's not fun to me.
Yeah, that's true.
We get more followers on Instagram faster than we get subscribers on our channel. That is the It Couple.
The It Couple underscore.
On there
Instagram.
We go.
And as always, I'll put our personal handles.
Why
somewhere.
you always gotta do this?
I don't know. They'll be somewhere in the description box, or you know them by now. Look on the last video, okay? But we signing off. All right. Love you guys.
Peace.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.